Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, to remove this switch, you actually just have to pry it out. So the best tool to use would be a pry tool, so something like this, ideally a plastic pry tool. That way you will not damage the switch itself or the dashboard around it, right? If you don't have it, then you can use like a small flat screwdriver or something like this, anything that you can get under this switch to pop it out. To my knowledge, I haven't done this in a while, but there are 2 or 3 like metal clips holding it in place. Okay, so I got it out, but I will show you what I actually had to do. So first I tried, like I told you, prying it out through here, and I had a bit of a hard time. I was able just to release one of the bottom clips down here somehow, but I will show you now where is the trick actually to it. If you remove this side cover right here, which is very easy to remove, it has just a couple of these clips, you just pop it out, then you will have the opening here. And what I did, I squeezed my hand inside here. I'll try to record this. I squeezed my hand inside here, you see, and I was able with my finger to push onto this top clip, and just by pushing onto it I was able to push gently this headlight switch out. So this is the, let's call it a hack for it. If you cannot just release these clips by prying it through here, then you can remove this plastic and squeeze your hand inside and help yourself. But it's gonna be very helpful to you just to see how these clips look and where they are located. So there's one on the top, you see, you just have to kind of press it down and then pull the switch out. Then you will have one here on this side and one on the bottom side as well. Okay, so the last thing you have to do to completely remove it is just disconnect this electrical connector. Now one tip, always disconnect the battery prior to disconnecting any electrical parts on the vehicle, just to make sure there is no any shorts and to be safe, right? So yeah, to disconnect it, you just want to press this clip right here and pull the wiring out. In my case, I didn't disconnect the battery just because I don't have the tools handy for that right now. So I will take my chances, but for you, make sure to disconnect the battery. So just press this tab and pull the wiring out, and that's it. And here on top of this switch, there is like a part number in case you have to order it from a dealership. But you have a couple of options. You can buy a new one, which will be your most expensive option. Then you can get the aftermarket new one that's I've seen them online for $40–50, or you can get the used one from a car salvage that should cost you maybe around $10–15–20. Yeah, they are quite cheap, so it's not a big deal if your switch failed. So when you're inserting the switch back in, first you want to connect it, of course, and then you just want to insert it back in its place, so all these 3 clips catch on, and that's everything you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.